Magkano na nga ba ang sahod ng mga teacher sa DepEd sa Pilipinas? Teacher 1, 27,000 pesos. Teacher 2, 29,165. Teacher 3, 31,320. Master Teacher 1, 46,752. Master Teacher 2, 51,357. Master Teacher 3, 57,347. Master Teacher 4, 63,997. Para sa administrative positions naman, Head Teacher 1, 33,843. Head Teacher 2, 36,619. Head Teacher 3, 39,672. Principal 1, 51,357. Principal 2, 57,347. Principal 3, 63,997. Principal 4, 71,511. District Supervisor 71,511. Education Supervisor 1, 71,511.